Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into a hot topic you've been requesting: goji berries. Everywhere you look, from health blogs to social media, people are sprinkling these little red berries on everything and claiming they're a miracle food for, you guessed it, hair growth. But is there real science to back this up? Or is it just another wellness trend that's about to fade away? Let's separate the fact from the fiction. You've seen the claims. Grow your hair faster with goji berries. The secret to thick, long hair is in this berry. It's compelling stuff. But to understand if it's true, we need to look at what's actually inside these berries. So, what's in a goji berry? Nutritionally, they are pretty impressive. They're packed with vitamin A, crucial for cell growth, including the cells that make up your hair. Vitamin C, a powerful antioxidant that helps protect hair follicles from damage and is essential for producing collagen, a key part of the hair structure. Zinc. This mineral plays a role in hair tissue growth and repair. A zinc deficiency is famously linked to hair loss. Amino acids. They contain 18 different amino acids, the building blocks of protein. And since your hair is made mostly of a protein called keratin, you need a steady supply. Antioxidants. Goji berries are loaded with them, specifically compounds like zeaxanthin. Antioxidants fight free radicals that can damage hair follicles and contribute to aging and thinning. On paper, this looks like a home run for hair health, right? All the key players are there. But here's where we have to get critical. While the nutrients in goji berries are scientifically proven to be important for hair health, the direct scientific evidence linking goji berries themselves to significant hair growth in humans is surprisingly thin. There are some promising in vitro, that's in a petri dish, studies and animal studies that show goji berry extracts can protect cells and promote a healthy environment for growth. But large-scale human clinical trials, specifically on hair growth, we just don't have them. The leap we're making is an indirect one, because goji berries contain hair-healthy nutrients. Eating them should support healthy hair if you are deficient in those nutrients. Think of it this way: you can't pour a single nutrient-packed smoothie on a plant and expect it to grow if the soil, water, and sunlight are all wrong. Your hair health works the same way. It's a complex system influenced by genetics, hormones, overall diet, stress, and sleep. A handful of goji berries won't magically override all of that. So, science or just a trend? The answer is, it's a bit of both, but mostly it's science-backed, not science-proven. Goji berries are not a magic bullet for hair growth. If you're experiencing significant hair loss, you need to see a doctor or dermatologist. But as part of a balanced, nutrient-rich diet, goji berries are an excellent addition for overall health, which in turn creates the ideal conditions for your hair to be as healthy and strong as it can be. They are a fantastic supporting actor, not the star of the show. So, should you eat them? Absolutely. They are a healthy, whole food. Add them to your oatmeal, your smoothies, or your yogurt. Just don't expect a dramatic overnight transformation of your hair. Consistency and a good overall diet is what truly matters. Final verdict: goji berries for hair growth are a science-backed trend. The trend might be a little overhyped, but the foundational science of their nutrients is solid. What do you think? Have you tried goji berries for your hair? Did you notice a difference? Let me know in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this deep dive, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more science-backed looks at your favorite health trends. Thanks for watching.